Hello! In this video, I'm going to introduce you text editor feedback using Microsoft Word. In this activity, students will exchange their writing drafts and provide feedback to their peers using comments or suggestions. Open your document in Microsoft Word and go to the Review tab. In the Tracking group, click on the Track Change button. You can also adjust markup options to customize how revisions and comments are displayed in the document. Simple markup shows no track changes but only comments. And all markup shows everything. From this point on, any change you make to the document will be tracked and displayed as revisions. You can edit the text as you wish. To change the color of track changes, you should go to the Review tab and click on the small arrow, then select Advanced Settings. You can also customize other details through Advanced Settings. When you are done, click on OK and then again OK to continue. In order to add a comment to a sentence or any parts of the text, go to the Comments group and then select the part that you want to comment. Then click on New and type your comment in the small box. You can click on the small arrow icon to share it. You can also add replies to your comment. If needed, you can adjust your comment. Click on the small pencil icon and make any change you want to. Lastly, you can add a video link to the Word document. Go to the Insert tab and click on Online Videos. Type your link here and click on Insert. If you click on the video, you can watch it. You can save the document by clicking on Save. You can change the markup options by clicking on them. Simple markup, original view, and all markup. You can reply to the comments by clicking on Reply. If you go to the Review tab, you can accept the changes by clicking on Accept. And if you click on Reject, you can reject the changes.